Everyone thinks the best-selling arm exerciser is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Eastmount Twister Arm Exerciser Hydraulic Power. The Eastmount Twister Arm Exerciser caught my eye right away with its sleek design and impressive adjustable resistance range of 22,440 pounds. Priced at $47.49, it's positioned as a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality. If you want effective strength training from home, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this product stands out. The hydraulic mechanism allows you to adjust resistance easily, which means you can scale your workouts as you get stronger. This is perfect for anyone looking to build muscle without the hassle of changing weights. Plus, its durable double-layer steel tube construction can support up to 440 pounds, ensuring it's long-lasting. Now, some people complained about the fixed handles being uncomfortable during extended use. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who mixes up your routines and uses it in shorter sessions, you might not even notice this as a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to build arm strength without much equipment. Skip this one if you prefer more freedom with adjustable handles or if you're focused solely on heavy lifting. For the price, it's a solid investment for any home gym. Now, if the fixed handle design bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Eastmount Twister Arm Exerciser with LCD Counter. Next up is another model from Eastmount, featuring an LCD counter display priced at $47.49 as well. What caught my attention here is how it tracks your reps, making your workouts feel more structured. If you're someone who needs that extra motivation, this is definitely worth a serious look. This model shares the same impressive adjustable resistance of 22,440 pounds, so you're still getting the same versatility for muscle building. The LCD counter allows you to keep track of your progress, which can really help you push your limits. And like the previous model, the durable construction can handle significant weight while remaining stable during workouts. With a 4.4-star rating from 7,100 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among users. However, some users mention that the counter can malfunction after a while. I'll be real with you, while this could be frustrating if you rely on tracking, it's not a deal breaker for everyone, especially if you're more focused on the workout itself. This is perfect for you if you enjoy tracking your progress and need a motivational boost. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler design without added tech. It's still a great value considering the features you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for versatility. Product number 3, WAKISA 3-in-1 Twister Arm Trainer. Now let's talk about the WAKISA 3-in-1 Twister Arm Trainer, which is priced at $39.99 and offers a unique approach to arm workouts. What I liked here is its versatility, allowing you to transition between arm training and ob roller and resistance band workouts. If you want an all-in-one solution for home fitness, this is worth considering. This trainer features adjustable hydraulic resistance from 22 to 440 pounds, just like the other models. But it goes beyond that by including additional components like ob wheels and hooks for resistance bands. The adjustable arm length makes it suitable for different body types, which is great if you're sharing with family. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 800 reviews, it's gaining popularity quickly. Here's the thing though, if you have designated space in your home gym, this won't really be an issue, and the benefits far outweigh this small drawback. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional piece of equipment for a variety of workouts. Skip this one if you're limited on space or don't need the extra accessories. At $39.99, it's a fantastic value for everything you get. If storage is your concern, the next product is a compact option that you might find appealing. Product number 4, NOONCRAZY Twister Arm Trainer. Next, we have the NOONCRAZY Twister Arm Trainer, which comes in at an attractive price of $26.99. This caught my eye because it's designed for comprehensive upper body training, featuring multiple resistance options. If you're on a tight budget but still want effective workouts, this one's definitely worth a look. It comes with a detailed action poster to guide you through exercises, making it user-friendly. With a 4.4-star rating and over 1,600 reviews, it's proving to be a solid choice among users who want something straightforward and effective. Some users have mentioned issues with the clarity of the instructions. I'll be honest, if you're not someone who likes following guides or needs quick setups, this could be a hassle. But once you get the hang of it, the performance is solid. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable option that still delivers results. Skip this one if you need something super advanced or prefer more tech features. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you want something that's a bit more advanced yet still easy to store, let's jump to our last pick. Product number 5, WAKISA 3-in-1 Arm Trainer with OB Roller. Finally, we have the WAKISA 3-in-1 Arm Trainer with OB Roller, priced at $39.99. This model combines multiple functions in one compact design, which is what made it stand out. If you're looking for a multifunctional trainer that doesn't take up much space, this is worth considering. It's designed to accommodate various body types, making it perfect for family use. The triangle structure adds stability during workouts, ensuring safety and effectiveness. With a strong 4.6-star rating from over 800 reviews, it's becoming a favorite among fitness enthusiasts. On the downside, some users have noted that it may not be suitable for those who are used to heavy lifting. But here's the thing, if you're focused on toning and maintaining, this machine still holds its own and provides excellent value. This is perfect for you if you want a compact trainer that offers a variety of exercises. Skip this one if you're looking for something specifically for heavy lifting. At this price, you're getting a lot of versatility without breaking the bank. To wrap things up, we've seen some solid options for arm exercisers. The East Mount models for adjustable resistance, the WAKISA 3-in-1 for versatility, and the NOONCRAZY for budget-friendly simplicity. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best. Thanks for tuning in and happy training.